Assalamu alaikum everybody. A very good afternoon to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing today? Hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm really glad to be here in this wonderful competition. You all are very beautiful person here. I'm very happy to see you all. Before starting my speech, I would like to give a special thanks our honorable and most respectable teacher, Asad Rajan sir, who is the founder of our English Fantasy. This is Dilor speaking. I'm a student of English Fantasy. My ID number is 1348, batch 31. I feel proud and delighted to have the opportunities to say a few words about our institution, English Fantasy, in front of you at today's important event. We know that English is an international language. It is so much important in house and abroad. English is used all over the world. For this reason, we should learn English. For build up our career, we need to learn English properly and perfectly. English Fantasy is a famous institution where English taught easily and with fun. English Fantasy is not just an institution or a center. It is a place where dreams are built, confidence is nurtured, and future are shaped. It's a family, a center of inspiration. Every student discover their trust potential. English Fantasy is located at Mohammadpur in Dhaka. There are many benefits of studying at English Fantasy. First of all, there are many skilled teachers here who teach English with great expertise. They are very friendly. I am very fascinated on their behavior. There are many classrooms, separate classrooms for IELTS and for basic spoken English. Every room has a air conditioner and a Wi-Fi, and every room has a TV for listening purpose. It is very essential for our listening skill, improve our listening skill. Above all, it's a very good institution for learning English, and its environment is too awesome. That's all for time being. No more today. Hope to see you again with another topic, with another day. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay safe. Thank you, everybody.